This is the only Banny we have. She's actually got 4 babies, but one she wouldn't take because it took too long to hatch out. And the other one was just too small to keep up. He'd been keeping up for a couple of days, but we have to keep helping him keep up with them. So I just put him in there with the other chicks and put some fingernail polish. My wife did put some polish on his foot. That way we know which one's Sid's baby. This poor mama chicken, that white one, I don't know what it is. I think it's something else. It's not hers. None of these chicks are hers, I don't think. And that black one there came out of a green egg. That white one came out of a brown egg. But yeah, there's 2 of Sid's babies there. And then he's got 2 more in here, I'll show you. What are you doing, Turkey? Let's see here. That white one right there. Unplug this light. That white one right there is Sid's baby. He's the only, I think that's him. Yeah, that's him. That's him right there. That's Rodney. That's the one she wouldn't take. That little white one right there. Or light colored one. He's actually pretty tame. And then her other baby will be one of those red ones. And he'll have red fingernail polish on his foot. That's not him. Is this him? I just want to see your feet, buddy. No, that's not him. I think he's fine. Should be one of these lively little red ones. Alright guys, let's find out which one you are. These are Aracanas, right? That's an Aracana right there. That's an Aracana. Alright. Come on, y'all bust it up. Y'all bust it up. Wow, y'all just lively this morning, huh? Yeah. I'm just trying to see which one has red feet. Y'all okay over here? Huh? Damn, I hope that fingernail polish didn't rub off. I'll have to go through them. But he's one of them little smaller red ones like that. And he's been trying to keep up for a couple days like shit. Just felt bad for the little guy. But, yep. It's I think one of the babies is gonna look like that buff right there, Orpington. I think the little one of them's one of them, and then of course where's the Aracanas? There's one there, but she's molting. She looks like crap right now. One black Astrolop, one Brahma. There's an Aracana. What are you doing, Mama? Huh? I think she's an Aracana. Pretty sure she is. She got them green legs and lays them. That's also an Aracana. Got one red. Let's see here. Got 5 little babies that are about 6-7 months old. Little buff Orpingtons. Buff Orpington. And I've got 2 older mamas. You see that chicken right there? You see how big her comb is? See how big her comb is? See how big it is? Now look at that one right there. You see how small her comb is? She's one of them babies. She thinks she's a goose. It's one of them ones that got raised with Norman. But there's Sid. What's up, Sid? Here's another little baby. What are you doing, little baby? What are you doing, little baby? Huh? You gonna peck at my Band-Aid? Yeah? They're tame. They're very, very tame. Okay, now there's the one. She's an Aracana. Right there, she got the weird feathers around her head and neck. They're all which ways. You can't really see her very well. But yeah, that's her right there. I've got 5 of the little new blonde bitches. So I got 5 of them. And we've got 2 of the older blonde bitches. And then we've got, let me see here. We've got 3 brown bitches, would be the Easter eggers. What are you doing, Turkey? You looking like shit this morning, man. You gotta stop with all them feather stuffs. Anyways, so we got 5 plus the 2 would be 7. We got 7 blonde bitches, 3 brown bitches, a white bitch, a black bitch, a gray bitch, and a red bitch. Yeah. Red, white, black, gray. Yep. Red, white, black, gray. The red would be the Rhode Island red, and she lays good too. She's one of the main chickens. She's high on the pecking order right there. She lays green eggs. She laid me one yesterday, matter of fact. Good mama chicken. See how high that tail is? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And this is my black Astrolop or Astrolorp, however you want to say it. I think it's spelled Lorp, but it just sounds retarded, so I just say Lop. But anyways, that's the only black bitch I got right there. I had a hard time adjusting for some reason. She was low on the pecking order for a really, really long time, and got beat up. but she eventually learned that, you know, it's pretty calm around here. They got a little deal over there standing up where they can dust underneath, get out of the sun. And they got a tree here, so excuse the yard, the mess I've been building in here. You can see I've got all kinds of shit strewed everywhere. But I just built this. And built all this on there for them. So I got me a light right here to watch the woods. The woods over there. That's where all the animals come from. Coyotes. A coyote, see, that's up towards my house. That coyote came from right over there in them woods, run through here and ate Norman. So I've got a light set up there now. So every bit of this is all lit up now. Plus the red light in there. You don't want in here, Mama Chicken. You've already had food. You stay out there. I don't want to babysit you today. But yeah, we've got that set up. And then yesterday we had this. We had 3 nests sitting in there. 1, 2 here, of course, and then this one over here was on the bottom, and they never laid in it. So I've taken the liberty, after of course ripping this whole wall out, to extend their area here. I took this nest and put it over here. Put them some new hay in here where they can lay eggs for me. And being with the heavy breed chickens like we got, I actually put in another board here to make it more standing area. That white chicken right there. Oh, she's a big old bitch. I like her. Let's get a rooster like her. But anyways, she actually sleeps in this top nest right here. Every night she sleeps right there. And then she'll walk down this little skinny ass rail all the way over to here. And of course the babies are sleeping here. She's got to jump from here to here and then go down the ramp. So today, let me walk outside and see if I can get you a better view of it. All right, so she's over sleeping in that nest there, the top right nest. She'll walk down there and then jump on here and then go down the ramp to get outside. So, but I think I need to make that. I'm gonna double that rail right there, and then I gotta figure out some kind of something to make a transition where they ain't gotta jump being so heavy. I don't want them falling and getting hurt. But hi man, my name is Nathan. Just want to show y'all my little farm or whatever. It's something me and my wife's been doing. We enjoy it. The kids like it, and we get some good eggs and some good chicken meat out of it. So thank you for watching.